everyone, how you guys doing? I'm Erica, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can use PLR articles the right way without getting penalized by Google. So if you don't know what PLR articles are, these are really cheap article packs that you can purchase, and then you have private label rights, so it means that they're yours. You have licenses that prove that these are yours once you purchase them from PLR sites, and you can use them on your blogs for Web 2.0s, for affiliate marketing, affiliate products. You can use them on blogs for AdSense, but you just want to make sure that you follow the steps that I'm about to show you. Now, there are a few sites that you're going to need to accomplish this task, and one is a site called, let me just open it up right here, is a site called Plagiarism Checker. It's from Small SEO Tools. You just want to go ahead and open that up, and I'm going to be showing you what you can do with it in a second. Next, you want to actually purchase a PLR article. If you come to this site that I use, I'm not an affiliate. It's called qualityplr.com. You just go there and you can choose whatever it is your niche is. They have niche PLRs here. They have food PLR articles, weight loss, yoga, social media, relationship, whatever it is your niche is. You can come up here and you can buy an article pack. Some of them range from $3.99 up to $27. So I have a lot of article packs here. And once you go ahead and choose the article that you want to be using for your blog post, just select it and you open it up in Notepad. You want to go ahead and you want to copy the whole thing. Remember that site I told you about, the Plagiarism Checker? You want to go on that site and you want to paste in your article. Once you paste that in there, you want to go below and you click on Check Plagiarism. And this is gonna load, I don't know when, but anyway, yeah, there it is. As you can see, this article is 94% plagiarized and it's only 6% unique. This article, if you just go ahead and slap it on your blog, you're gonna get slapped by Google. So you want to go ahead and you want to rewrite the whole thing. Now, here are a few tips that you can use to rewrite your articles. And by the way, you can go, I'm gonna leave a link to show you exactly how the article looked before I rewrote it and how it turned out after I rewrote the article. So here are a few tips. You want to change the title to whatever it is your keywords are. You want to make sure you change the titles of the article. You want to make sure to rewrite every single sentence and paragraph of the article, and you want to add a little bit of additional content by doing a little research on Google. Don't be lazy about it. Add a few original content that you can get by doing a little bit of research. You want to add some outgoing links from renowned sites, like whatever it is your niche is. You want to find top sites that are in your niche by just searching for a simple keyword on Google and finding those top sites that pop up, and you want to link back to those. And you always want to make sure to check your plagiarism score before you actually publish the article. Make sure to add H1 tags, H2 tags, and H3 tags, and you don't want to be lazy, guys. Now, what I was saying about original content, the actual article didn't have anything referencing to the kinds of foods that you can eat to get natural omega-3 fatty acids into your body. I went ahead and I did that research on my own on Google, and I added some few original content. I also added, these are H1 tags, H2 tags, and H3 tags. The article did not have those. I had to add them in myself. I rearranged the sentences, I rewrote them, and I made it my own. Now let's go ahead and see what the plagiarism count is going to be for the article after I rewrote it. So here it is, and I'm going to copy the whole thing just until Canva allows me to copy it. I don't know what's going on. Okay, so I'm going to try that one more time, and there we go. I'm going to copy that, and we're going to go back to the Plagiarism Checker. Now all you got to do You just click in here and they're going to prompt you to start a new search. So go ahead and paste that in there. And don't forget, you can go ahead and check out the article. I'm going to leave a link so that you see exactly how it turned out. So yeah, I've pasted that in there, and I'm just going to click on Check Plagiarism. Now, a lot of you guys wanted to know how we can go about writing content quickly for blog posts. This is how I do it for some of my blogs that, I don't, write content from the heart. And as you can see, this one has 96% unique and 4% plagiarism. Why? Because I usually add a sentence at the end of each of my blog posts. If you like this post, please don't forget to share it and also follow us on Pinterest. This site recognizes this as a duplicate content because I have it on all of my other blog posts. It doesn't really matter as long as I have 96% unique. It is unique in the eyes of Google. So how long does it take me to pop up to rewrite an article? Usually 20 minutes, 30 minutes tops, guys. That's how long it takes me to pop up an article for an affiliate website, for an AdSense website, or, for a Web 2.0 that I'm using. This doesn't have to be complicated. You guys are asking where you can get content. This is how you can do it. There are also a few sites online that you can get free PLR articles. Yeah, and this is the blog post that I went ahead and I rewrote, and there's my image, and I've added it to Pinterest, and boom, there you go. I have unique content. I can put AdSense ads on it, and I'm not going to get slapped by Google. So this is how you do it. Go ahead and you get those PLR articles, start rewriting them, and put them on your blogs, guys. It's that easy. So if you like this blog post, if you like this video, go ahead and share it. Leave a comment below. Tell me what you think. Ask me questions. And thank you guys so much for watching. You guys are awesome as always.